Football now. Despite leading Racing United to the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League playoffs in only their second season in top-flight football, head coach Anthony Patrick and the club are set to part ways when his contract expires at the end of June. The surprise announcement came via a press release on Saturday night through club president Nigel Walker. The club stated that the board of directors and management team have decided to pursue a new direction for the club's football operations. It will bring to an end a 9-year tenure, which has seen Patrick taking the team from the St. Catherine Division 2 to the Jamaica Premier League. TVJ Sports understands that the decision may have been a long time coming, as Patrick did not see eye to eye with the new investors in the club. It is unclear whether this will also affect Patrick's current employment with St. Catherine High School, where Walker is also a key figure within the management setup. The future of the other members of the Racing United coaching staff is unclear, as the club will announce plans regarding its coaching structure in due course. When contacted, President Walker declined to comment further on Patrick's departure.